Hello everyone. My name is Siddhanth. I'm a first year in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today I will be talking about drilling machines and milling machines. Milling machines. Milling is the process of machining flat, curved, or irregular surfaces by feeding the workpiece against a rotating cutter containing a number of cutting edges. The milling machine consists basically of a motor driven spindle which mounts and revolves the milling cutter and reciprocating adjustable work tables which mounts and feeds the workpiece. Principal parts and functions. Base. The base serves as the foundation of all other parts of the milling machine. It is a platform that sits on the ground to support the machine's weight. Column. The column is a box shaped frame that is mounted vertically to support the machine. It is connected directly to the base. It serves as the housing of all the driving mechanisms of the table feed and the spindle. Saddle. The saddle is a flat surface that supports the table in a longitudinal motion. It caters to the horizontal motion and the y direction of the workpiece. Knee. The knee is the part of the milling machine that supports the table and saddle. It caters to the vertical motion in the z direction of the workpiece. The knee serves as the housing of the table feed mechanisms and controls. Table. The table is located horizontally on top of the saddle. It has T slots for clamping the material to be used, such as steel and aluminum. The longitudinal motion of the table is limited to avoid or lessen mistakes with the workpiece. However, the universal machine tables can move both vertically and horizontally. Spindle. The spindle is located on the upper part of the column. The accuracy of machining depends on the rigidity, strength, and accuracy of the spindle. The power transmits to the spindle through clutches, gears, and belts. Arbor. The arbor is the spindle's extension that secures rotation and mounting. It is made with taper shanks with 7:24 value to ensure proper alignment. It is placed parallel to the spindle. Overhanging arm. The overhanging arm is located on top of the column. It serves as a support to the cutter and the arbor. Common uses for milling machines. Knee type. Knee type mills are categorized by a vertically adjustable work table resting on the saddle, which is supported by a knee. The knee is a massive casting that rides vertically on the milling machine column and can be clamped rigidly to the column in a position where the milling head and the milling machine spindle are properly adjusted vertically for operation. Universal horizontal milling machine. The basic difference between a universal horizontal machine and a plain horizontal milling machine is the addition of a table swivel housing between the table and the saddle of the universal machine. This permits the table to swing up to 45 degrees in either direction for angular and helical milling operations. The universal milling machine can be fitted with various attachments such as indexing fixture, rotary table, slotting, and rack cutting attachments, and various special fixtures. Drilling machines. Construction of a drilling machine. The machine has only a hand feed mechanism for feeding the tool into the workpiece. This enables the operator to feel how the drill is cutting and accordingly he can control the downfeed pressure. Sensitive drill presses are manufactured in the bench or flow models. That is, the base of a machine may be mounted on a bench or the floor. The main operating parts of a sensitive machine or drill press are base, column, table, and drill head. Bench drilling machine. The simplest type of sensitive drilling machine is shown in the figure. This is used for light duty drilling work. This machine is capable to drill a hole up to 12.5 millimeters in diameter. Motor. An electric motor supplies the required driving force to stepped pulley. Base. Base is the bottom part of the machine in which the column is fitted upright. Feed handle. Handle is provided to feed the drill into the workpiece. A rake and pinion mechanism is provided to drive the chuck. Column. Column is the main cylindrical part of the drill machine on which the other components are mounted. Belt guard. Belt guard is to provide the cover belt and pulley drive mechanism to minimize the hazard of accident. Chuck. Chuck is provided to hold the drill of different sizes up to 6.5 millimeters. Drill size of more than 6.5 millimeters are to be fitted directly in the Morse taper of spindle. Work table. Work pieces are mounted and held in position by the table. This table can be tilted for drilling at an angle. Working principle of a drilling machine. The rotating edge of the drill exerts a large force on the workpiece and the hole is generated. The removal of metal in a drilling operation is by shearing and exhaustion. Use. Drilling machine is used to drill blind and thorough holes in workpieces. Operation of drilling machines. Drilling. It is the main operation done on this machine. It is the operation of producing a circular hole in a solid metal by means of revolving a tool called the drill. Boring. It is an operation used for enlarging a hole to bring it to the required size and have a better finish. Countersinking. It is the operation used to enlarge the end of a hole to give it a conical shape for a short distance. Reaming. It is the operation of finishing a hole to bring it to accurate size and have a fine surface finish. This operation is performed by means of a multi-tooth tool called reamer. Counter boring. This operation is used for enlarging only a limited portion of the hole is called counter boring. Tapping. It is the operation done for forming internal threads by means of tool called tap. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.